Hello guys, and welcome back. Heidi, where are we going? How can you say you have no idea? Know exactly where we're going. Don't you know? So we are currently in an Uber on the way to the train station, going to like a lifestyle networking event. What's the time?
10:47.
It is 10:47. We are not running late because we didn't exactly like set a time, but we just thought we'd be leaving the house earlier. So I guess it doesn't matter whether we are late or on time. We are just going. We are just pulling up the train station now. How much did you say this is again?
4.2.
4.2 million euros.
4.2 million euros. Not worth it.
Not worth it. Would you buy it if you had the money? Would you? You think so? Further in this than a car?
As the crow flies.
Okay.
If you think you've got 500 miles in a car, 500 miles in there.
Okay, fair enough.
So you've got to go around all those roads. You waste all your mileage. I'll just go straight there.
If I gave you 5 million right now, you would go straight.
No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. What I want to do.
But no, I mean, like, not your first 5 million, but like your second 5 million.
I'll probably get something, yeah.
Yeah,
I think
exactly.
I'll probably
No,
get
the
the Aston
second.
Martin fit.
Oh,
Maybe
yeah,
if you had
okay.
50, you'd buy this.
Yeah, definitely.
Is that not?
On
No,
50.
even
Oh,
with the
not on
second.
10 million, you wouldn't. Okay, 5 million is a lot. 50% of all of your money.
Yeah.
It's a bit much.
So like
Back to
A
the
day
upside.
from the south of France.
Yeah, you might have to stop off
Do
a
you
couple times
fly?
for fuel. I have a pilot's license, yes. I originally wanted to be a pilot, but then
Okay.
I went into the maintenance side.
Oh, I thought you're the person who flies it back to the south of France.
No, so we have pilots at work.
Okay.
So it comes to us, and myself and Owen, we're in the installations department, so we do all the modifications. So we're the guys that fit the leather to the, well, we don't fit the leather to the seats, but in our department, that's where it gets done.
Mm-hmm.
We put like the air conditioning in the engines and stuff like that.
We have officially dropped off the package, and I'm walking backwards because it's the direction that the sun is at, and we are just heading to Maidi. Where are we going? You're so stupid. We're going to go and find somewhere to eat or drink something or have an iced coffee, right? We're full from the block party, but there's always space for a drinky drink. Hi guys, welcome back to my traveling chronicles. Last minute traveling chronicles. It is 3:30. I actually have a guest today, and we are going to London last minute. I just have to drop off some Loewe items. So yeah, I literally am just parked up, the exact place I was parked up last time. I'm about to dash to the station. It's like a minute away. And then I need a ticket as well. We need to buy tickets, buy drinks. It's so hot as well today. Like, it's so sunny. But yeah, let's go. You know the meme I posted about not knowing whether to wear a coat today or a light sweater. That's literally me today. I'm in a North Face fleece, but my brother's in like a full t-shirt and a cardigan. And it's warm now, but I just know temperatures are going to drop because when the sun's not out, it's mad breezy. And if it's breezy and windy, it's cold. And I know London's hotter than Leicester, but the minute the sun goes away, which is any minute now, literally, if it's not sunny, it's going to be super chilly. So I'm not taking any chances. I'm gonna, spend the day in my fleece.